This JTF officer you see here, that his face has gone viral. His name is Stanley Chimezie, and he is even from Imo State. And he is a civil defense officer that is also part of the JTF officer. As we know, JTF means Joint Task Force. This is security officers from different security agencies. They have the police, army, navy, civil defense, air force, DSS. They came together to work together to fight insecurity. So that was how they created this joint task force in Imo State. Now this guy, so many people have identified him and other people with their names. So I want to use this guy as a reference. This guy has been identified by so many victims in my DM. Some have called me, some have WhatsApped me, some in my videos comment that this guy is a criminal. Like, you know, when they say somebody is a hardened criminal, that is what this guy is. Many people have complained that this guy have extorted them, kidnapped them, take them to the bush, beat them. In some cases, snap even their ID card, threaten them that if he sees like a video of them talking about the experience, that they will track them down. Like, this guy have done a lot of evil things. You and I know that this kind of people that takes people to the bush and threaten them for their money, you and I know that there's a certain amount of money they will see in your account. They might even unalive you in the bush and nobody will hear about you for life again. They just take your money and just take your money. And maybe if you refuse to cooperate with them and give them your phone for search or money, they can even still take your life in the bush, which I'm sure they have done a lot of things like that, but no evidence, nobody will prove it because it's in the bush. Okay, that's how kidnappers operate. You all know, because they are not kidnappers. It's confirmed because a security officer who will be on the highway conducting search with a mask that nobody can identify you, no name tag. You don't even wear your proper security uniform. You wear a black and black special force. Is that a name of a security agency? Special force. You leave your main uniform that will know you that okay, you're a policeman, you're a civil defense, or you're army. You wear special force, no name tag, nothing, so that you can commit atrocities and not be traceable, so that nobody can trace you. So this guy, the first video we saw that we posted, where a guy captured him with a metal glass and he was telling the guy to come, let it beat him small. That they still extorted that guy 200,000. We have the proof, we have the receipt and everything. This same guy called Stanley Chimezie, we still posted his second video, which is this one we got this picture from, where he was telling a victim, a young guy, to go and borrow 10,000 from the driver and come and give to him after he have tried to transfer money by himself from the guy's account, and it was not working. Him and several team, because you know this JTF, they mix themselves. Sometimes you see this team, you see other team, but they all do the same thing. They're all criminals. I'm going to play the voice note of the person who gave us that particular video, okay, so that people will actually understand what happened that particular day.
Okay. On that very day, we were on our way from Aba to Asaba that day. That was almost afternoon. So when we got there, I kind of took some pictures, but I deleted the picture. It was, they wrote on that signboard, Umuhu Comprehensive Secondary School, something like that, on the signboard there. So they stopped our car because my elder brother was driving there. They stopped our car, told him to come down with his papers and everything. That was still a new car, so his papers and everything, they were very, very complete. So he took it to the fuel station, the old fuel station there, where their Oga was staying with this particular officer and his face show there. So I was seated at the back. We were three there. I was seated at the back. I rolled down the glass. So the army man there, he saw me and said, you there? Oh yeah, come down. Go and meet our Oga. Carry your phone, go and meet our Oga. I said, oh, that was when I activated the app. Then while crossing the road, so I activated the app there. Then met the man. That was when he was still searching the other guy's phone and telling him to borrow 10,000 naira from their driver and give to him so that he can allow him and go, allow him to go. You get that kind of thing.
Now, in a working country, is this guy and his team supposed to be on the road today? Like, it is over 24 hours or more than 24 hours, because we posted the first video like 2 days ago that this guy had been exposed. But people are still telling me that they still saw him on the road yesterday. Now they have moved out from 7.5 and then shift forward to that Empire Energy Filling Station where they have changed location, but they are still in Imo State operating on the highway, extorting people. They are still there. In a working country that have laws, is this guy supposed to be on the way now, extorting people, or him and his team is supposed to be behind bars now as we speak, and awaiting trials and calling on victims to come and identify so that they can even pay them back in a country that is civilized? Can these things happen outside the country? Can this happen like places like even South Africa here or even UK? Can things like this happen that officers have been identified doing misconduct, kidnapping, and yet the government is still quiet? Okay, that takes me to the governor of Imo State, sir. His Excellency Hope Uzodinma. I don't know how you see us, the people of Imo State, and I don't know if the people of Imo State did you anything bad. I don't know how you see the people of Imo State, but I want to remind you that Imo State's citizens or indigents are your responsibility. You are a father to them, okay, to us. I'm from Imo State, although I don't base there. Now, you are like a father. And what is the duty of a father? The father is to protect his children. The father is a protector. You protect and provide. But with the information reaching us, you are not even in the States. They say you are always at Abuja. And even if issues come to your table, actions are not being taken. I want to know why. Did the people of the state offend you and you just decide to punish them? Or because you are not in your second tenure, so you are not even putting any effort because there is no election coming forth for you to tackle, so people will vote for you? Or it's just your nature that you don't care? Because as a father, even now you have children, you also have kids. You protect your kids. Why are you not protecting the people of Imo State? Why are you not um why are you not focused on the interest of the people of your state? What did it to you? In a working country or in a working state, by now you, the governor, have released a press release on this matter. And those men will be called back to barrack and made to face the law. Because if they don't face the law, even if you dissolve them from the road, do you know they can still leave the barrack every night and be doing illegal duties? Kidnapping youths from in your states and extorting them, searching their phone, extorting people. Do you know they will still be doing that because they don't know the corners of the state, they don't know the whereabouts and the movement of the state. They can still wear their own uniform and be doing crime because they were not held accountable. Nobody did not face the law. It's your duty as the father of the state to take care of your people. You have a son, you have a daughter. Let me say you are in your house. Your daughter or your son came back with a broken head, crying, and tells you that it's one man outside that did it. So you just have to leave that man. You not act as a father. You don't want to know why this thing happened. You don't want to stop it from happening next time. That is not how a good father. That's how a good father is supposed to act. But if you refuse to do those things, that means you're not a good father. I know I have to bring my time. This video is dedicated to you, especially His Excellency Hope Uzodinma. I know I'm speaking to you because I might not have the opportunity to see you face to face to talk to you. I'm speaking to you, Hope Uzodinma. What did the people of Imo State do to you that they deserve all this pain? People are crying. Money is lost. Lives are lost. These JTF officers, you brought them into the state during the time of unknown gunmen crisis, or the time Imo State was a war zone. Now they have done their job. No more unknown gunmen. Remove them from these places. Put your normal police in those places. Police who have tags, who can recognize, who will not follow the law. Remove these corrupt people because now they are not the one doing the evil that they were fighting before. They are not the one that people are not scared of on the road right traveling. They are not the one kidnapping innocent people. They are not the one robbing people that have money. And the state has a governor, and the governor is doing nothing. Why? Is my question. People keep saying APC government is bad, APC is bad, APC. Are you trying to say that you, the governor of Imo State, Hope Uzodinma, you cannot put a clause in that statement that it's not everybody in APC that is bad? That if they look at you, they will say, yes, this APC is bad, but look at this governor, Hope Uzodinma. He cares for his people. He really cares for his people. He's different from them. He might be there because of one or two connections, but he cares for his people. But you are giving people reason to believe that yes, this government is bad, APC is bad. You are giving them people more reasons to hold on to that APC is bad. It was in your regime. JTF officers was robbing young youth their money, kidnapping people, unaliving people. You did nothing. People hold on to it. Is that the record you want to keep? Is that the history you want to leave? Is that the lineage? Like, is it the record you want to keep? No, sir. Things are not done that way. Things are not done that way. What did the people of Imo State do to you? What did they do to you to deserve all this? Even the commissioner of police is even relying on you to say something, to do something, because he knows that his power is beyond his power. I'm telling you the truth. The person of Boso is beyond his power. I'm telling you, because people who don't know out there is beyond the power. Because these people are from different security agencies who answer to their commanders. They don't even answer to the CP, the commissioner of police. They don't answer to him. I'm telling you the gospel truth. They are like dogs that cannot be controlled. That's what they are. They are like dogs that cannot be controlled. It's only the governor, only the governor can say, I don't need these people in my state again. And they must face justice. They must face the law. Now him bring them come. Now him will see pursue them and do the right thing. But why are you not doing it, sir? Why is he not doing it? They have now started corrupting other police officers in the state. Now, if you go to Ihagwa, naked, if you go to that place, you hear what students are complaining how police will just see you, force you into the vehicle, search your phone. If they see money, they ask you to send money to them, half of the money. This is what things they learned from JTF criminals. It spreads. Corruption spreads. It spreads, you know. So you know that it will not be norms in Imo State. Why not stop it? Why not stop it? Why? Why? I want to know why. No single press release from you, sir, a governor that claims to care about his people. You have not made a call to withdraw these people and make them face the law. This guy that we posted his videos, him and his team are still outside today, extorting people, meaning nothing can happen. Sir, is this thing good? Let's tell ourselves the truth. Is it good? Let's tell ourselves the truth. Now I'm not telling people, okay, we need help. Okay, let that man come, oh, this one come, oh, we need money, oh, to write petitions, so contribute money. Am I supposed, a citizen like me, am I supposed to be doing this kind of fight when we have a governor, a working governor? Like, I'm not doing the work of a governor. Like, are you aware that I'm doing the work of a governor? I'm not doing the work of a governor when there is a governor there to do it. Eh? It's supposed to be like that. It's not supposed to be like that, sir. I'm so disappointed, sir. We are like children to you. Daddy, I'm disappointed. Hope Uzodinma, Daddy, I'm so disappointed that these people are still on the road till today. I swear, I'm so disappointed. I'm so disappointed in your government. I'm so disappointed. Election is coming. How do people come safely to vote? How do people come back to vote when JTF officers are there? How do people come back to vote? JTF officers are there. People are even scared. So many people have told me that they have not come back to Imo State to see their mother for 2 years now because of JTF officers. They only sending money to their mother. That they are scared of these people for no reason. That if not doing anything, they go to your bank, take your money. And they are scared of coming back because of JTF officers. Imagine 2 years, an old woman in your state have not seen their children. Their father have not seen their children because of the officers you put for no reason. For no reason. Is it good? Let's call a spade a spade. Is it good? Okay, now I'm also going to call on other governors. Okay, other governors around Imo State. Like Abia State now, we have Alex Oti. Sir, please, I'm begging you, I'm going to tag you in this video too. This thing is not only affecting Imo State people, it's affecting both your own people. Because if you even watch the guys, some the guys we posted, even the last video we posted is people who said I was traveling from Abia State. I stay in Abia State. I was going to Imo State, and this happened to me. It's affecting Abia State people. It's affecting Aba people. People who are coming from even Imo State to come and do business in Abia State. They stop them along Ngopala Road. They stop their money. They have to go back without doing the business again. It's also affecting Abia State. So if you also care for the people of Abia State, sir, I don't know the relationship you have with Hope Uzodinma, please reach out to him. Call him to order to remove these people from the road. If it's for you to write petitions, write it to their government for them to remove these people. They're affecting you too. Same with the River State governor. This is where I stay. I respect you a lot. Sir Sim Fubara. It's also affecting your own citizens, people, your own indigenous, your own people from Imo State, from River State here. Because many people, when traveling from Port Harcourt here to Imo State, we are affected. The kidnappers in Imo State take us to the bush, rob us our money. The money we suffer and we made our money in River State. Let's go to Imo State and chill or visit people, and we are being robbed our money. Not by criminals, not by armed robbers, but by security personnel who are not armed robbers and kidnappers. Whichever state is close to Imo State? Enugu too. Enugu State Governor, Anambra State Governor, Soludo. Please, people should call this man to order. Call him to order. Call him to order. Call him to order and advise him to do the right thing. The presidential candidates, election is coming, 2027. We cannot go home to vote. We cannot go to Imo State to vote because of all these JT people. Because people are scared of coming back. The earlier you remove these people from the road and people know that they are out of the road and start coming back freely to build that confidence again to start coming back, the better. Because people are scared of coming back to vote. I'm telling you, I'm just giving people facts. This video might be long, but I'm just telling you what is going to happen. People are scared of coming back to vote. Somebody that have not gone back home to go and see the mother in Imo State for 2 years, is it to go and vote for P2B or to go and vote for Tinubu that he will come back and vote? Please. You see, as we are talking, creating awareness, don't think that we are toothless bulldogs and we cannot do anything. We are the people. We voted the governor and put him here. We brought the governor and say, Governor Ngwanu, rule the people. If you are not serving the interests of the people will revolt against you. Yes, that is just how nature is. The people will revolt against you. They will start protesting. And make your state now to be uncomfortable for anybody anymore. And you know like that. They will tell you, come on for office. And you know do anything. Because they are the one that puts you there to serve them. So serve them right, sir. Serve them right. Please, you guys should share this video. Tag Hope Uzodinma. Tag the IG of the police. The Inspector General of Police, the person of Sir Olatunji Rewon Disu. You have connections. You know how to drop petitions too. We don't have to now start waiting when we now contribute money to push our own petitions. When you are seeing it is obvious that what they are doing is wrong, you have 1 or 2 calls you will make from above there, or petitions you will drop to the commanders of this civil defense, navy, and all those other security agencies. These people will be dissolved. Why not use it? Why paying deaf ears to us? Is it when we start protesting now? When you start blocking route, protesting now, causing state of unrest, protesting. We not go agree. That is what people want. You see what people want? Eh? And in the midst of doing the protest too, some evil people will now come hijack it, use that opportunity, hijack the protest and start causing evil more and more and more. Is it what people want? Why not keep the peace that is there? Why not do the right thing? Is this guy supposed to be by 24 hours? 48 hours, he's there, he's still there. That means what they are telling us that nothing will happen is actually true. That nothing will happen. Eh? And we have a governor. We have IG. We have commanders. We have GOCs. Like, what is this Igbo State turning into? What is this country turning into? And we even have president too. Can this kind of thing happen? Can it even happen in America? Can it happen in the UK? That officers have been identified what they are doing until now. They are still boldly doing what they are doing. Nobody has even done no official press release to call these people back and make them face the law. Nothing. Even the one that we release the picture, which I have another video I will drop another today or tomorrow, another secret camera we got another officer, another dated officer extorting. I have it, I will still drop it. I told you I don't do without evidence. I will still drop it. I will still drop it either today or tomorrow, depending on how my mood is. Because these days are the verse. I'm at the verse. I will still drop it. There are many evidence. It's too obvious. It's too obvious. It is not debatable. If we go to court, you will not win in the case because evidence there. Except you go and buy the judge. Like, and it will be obvious that this person bought the judge. And it will show that the country does not have a law. And we will not have confidence in the Nigerian security agencies again for life. We will not. We will not. So why are you doing the right thing? Guys, share this video. Keep donating to that our Zenith account. I think I'll put it here. Keep donating there, guys. This fight, we'll fight it to the end. Share this video. Tag the authorities, those that can help us, please. See you guys in my next video, or wait for the new JTF officer that will be exposed.